right, we are here with Enve Composites. We've got Jake, and he's going to walk us through the line, 2016 line, the new stuff they have coming out. And we're going to start talking dirt wheels here first thing.
Yeah, so we have a lot of work going on related to mountain bike product and wheels. Specifically, we are working on higher volume mountain bike wheels, and this is one prototype right here. Basically, this is a rim we've developed and are developing to work well with high volume tires. So this is something that you all can see coming down the line in the near future. Current product available on the market right now is our line of M series wheels. It's a line of wheels specifically developed for a rider type and application. So depending on the type of bike you ride, the tire size you prefer, and the terrain you like to ride, we have a wheel for you. So the M50 is this wheel, which is a great wheel for riding mid-mountain and a short travel hardtail or short travel suspension bike or your hardtail. The M60 is my go-to favorite for riding around the Wasatch. It'll do everything from really aggressive trail riding to cross-country racing if you so desire. The M70 is your more aggressive enduro all-mountain wheel, and then we have the M90, which is our full-blown downhill wheel for riding chairlifts, and this is the same rim that the Santa Cruz Syndicate uses for World Cup racing. So
Jake, tell us a little bit of the reason why high volume. I mean, what does that do for a rider?
yeah, so basically the goal with developing a rim is to make a rim that pairs seamlessly with a certain tire size. So each one of these rims in the M series line is developed around a specific tire size. So the M50 is your cross-country wheel. It's 50-50 climbing to descend. So that's what the numbers are, their climb to descend ratio.
Okay.
So it's designed around a 2.1 to 2.2 tire. And you go to the M60, it's more around a 2.2 to 2.3 tire. M70 is going to be your more 2.3 to 2.4. And then your M90 is going to be 2.35 to 2.5. So each rim size is developed around a specific tire size. That's to ensure that the quality you get out on the trail, so the cornering performance, you can run, pressures that are going to give you better traction. Everything is optimized to work as a system. The new wheel we're coming out with is going to address even larger tires, in the 2.4 to 2.5 range.
Right on. And these are all tubeless compatible wheels.
Yeah,
I mean,
absolutely.
silly question, but
Yeah,
I just
no.
want to get that out in the open.
Yep, they're tubeless compatible. They have the hookless beads, so super secure tubeless system. I mean, you're not going to burp those things. They are awesome.
It's good. It's no fun burping on the bike. Tell us a little bit about the stems and bars.
Yeah, so real exciting new product for us this year is our new mountain stem. So the mountain stem is it's a one of its kind. It's a full carbon stem specifically for all mountain use. So the lengths start at 85 from the length, or the longest length's in 85, and then they go down in 15 millimeter increments to a 40 millimeter. This here's a 55, and the cool thing with the stem, aside from it being full carbon and unique in its class, is that it's also very light. These are weighing in right around 100 grams, I mean, give or take, depending on the length, but the lightest one's sub 100, and the heaviest one's around 110. So.
Wow.
Phenomenal product. It's, stems often go overlooked, but it's a feat of engineering.
The ultimate bike bling right there for your mountain bike.
But it does pairs, it is designed specifically to work with our line of handlebars. And so in our line of handlebars, we've expanded that slightly. We do have a new higher rise downhill bar. So this is the high rise DH bar. And then this is our standardized DH bar.
And it looks like they're all coming 800, so you can trim to your liking.
So the new high-rise DH actually goes to 810.
Wow.
But they do have predefined cut lines, so you can reduce the length by 20 millimeter increments. So high-rise DH, standard DH bar,
awesome,
riser bar, and then a sweep bar. So they're all, and the sweep and the riser bars are now 760 millimeters wide. So. Again,
a little more cross-country oriented, all mountain oriented.
Yeah, yep. And again, if you want to go shorter, you can by simply trimming at the lines.
So tell us a little bit about this new road wheel.
Yeah, so we've got here the ultimate climbing wheel for really riding on the Wasatch, and this is the Smart Enve System 2.2. It is a wheel that was developed in the wind tunnel from an aerodynamic standpoint, but the emphasis is definitely on climbing prowess, making it a lightweight and very stable wheel for gusty canyon winds and long descents. And so one of the cool things about this wheel is the new brake track that we've put onto it. This is a new technology from Enve. It's actually a pretty aggressive texture that's molded into the brake track, or molded into the rim. It's 100% carbon fiber, but what this brake track does is it provides virtually equivalent braking in wet conditions as it does in dry. It gives a lot more initial bite, so you don't get any of that ghost braking.
All right, tell us, Jake, where you can get the wheels.
Yeah, so you can purchase Enve product through a number of our dealers. Competitive Cyclists and Backcountry are 2 local options, as well as other shops, and then direct from enve.com. You can go to our website and purchase any of these products, and the reason for that is to allow you to buy exactly what you want when you want it, and ultimately provide the best customer service we can, customer service that matches the quality of the product. So,
Right on. Well, thank you, Jake.